Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Horizon Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This Avenel, New Jersey hotel is only a short drive from Newark International Airport and the New Jersey Turnpike and offers comfortable accommodations featuring free wireless internet access. The Horizon Inn provides guests with a variety of thoughtful amenities, including on-site laundry facilities and free in-room HBO movie channels. Guests can also enjoy free on-site parking along vending machines and a coffee maker. With easy access to the Garden State Parkway and other major highways, the Horizon Inn is within driving distance of New York City. Staten Island and Gothels Bridge along with a number of shopping centers and restaurants are also nearby. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.